Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dandy cocktail. This one was featured in Harry Craddock's Savoy cocktail book, and I recently saw it on the Bonneville Cocktail Collection's YouTube channel, which I'll link to right here. So let's get started. It's featuring a Rye Whiskey and Dubonnet, which is a wine-based aperitif, but you can also substitute that for Lillet Rouge. It is an aromatized wine. Then we've followed that by a triple sec. Today I'm going to be using Pierre Ferrand Orange Curacao and Angostura bitters. So it's a stirred cocktail, and I'm going to start with 45 mils, an ounce and a half of your Rye Whiskey. Today I'm using Bullet. And then equal parts with the second ingredient. So Lillet Rouge, or if you're following the original recipe, the Dubonnet. 45 mils, 1.5 ounces, and then half measure, 15 mils, half an ounce of your triple sec, and a dash of Angostura bitters. I'm going to go crazy, I'm going to do 2 dashes. Fill that mixing glass with ice, give it a stir for 20-30 seconds, and make sure it's diluted adequately. So I'm going to serve it up in a stemmed cocktail glass. This one in particular is the Angostura. So strain straight into that one. And to finish, garnish with a twist of lemon. Just express those oils over the top and drop it straight in. There you have the dandy cocktail. Cheers. It's quite dry, a little bit of spice to it. It's very light on the nose. Get a lot of that citrus coming through because there's a huge twist of citrus there. It's quite tasty, fairly dry. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. Hi all, and welcome back to what? Dandy. A dandy cocktail. Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a dandy cocktail.